dos, tres.
Welcome to What the
Fuck is in the box?
My name's Mike Kerwitz. We're here to bring you this awesome product that we're going to give away to you. With me, I have...
Drew Fisher.
Drew Fisher. That's correct. Good job.
Hey, I'm 2 for 2. We didn't
like
even rehearse
4
this.
times.
They're going to think we rehearsed this. That was live on the first go.
I just want to thank Andre and Mandy for putting all this together. The lighting is fabulous. They spent like an hour doing this.
You know this is not like an award ceremony, right? There's an episode.
Oh, okay. We really want to thank the people at Triton.
Hey, there we go. Why are you thanking them?
Because this is a hot new brand. Retailers really love it. It's got a ton of power, good quality, no comebacks.
He's
pretty
also
awesome.
thanking you because we're giving it away.
I'm not thinking it. I want it myself. So.
Mike's not going to get it. You're going to get it. How do they get it?
If you put some way for us to identify you in the comments, name, nickname, code name.
Welcome to Cobra, Calvin. You need a code name, and my, those are some fancy trousers you're wearing. I shall call you Trouser Snake.
We are raffling this one off. The
Let us identify you, who you are.
Please.
And it doesn't hurt our feelings if you like it. Drew, it actually makes him very excited.
I do enjoy the comments. I actually read them.
Yeah, and if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're doing with your life. Come on, get with it. Subscribe. Everybody's doing it. You like it. You know, all the cool kids are doing it.
Mike, what's the part number?
This is a SQ120011.
Hey, good job. What is it, Mike?
This is a monoblock amp.
Okay.
One of the cool things about it is full range.
It spins.
Spins. It's small. It's got a lot of power. It's got all the power you need and the smallest footprint that you could probably get. So,
nice.
But let's talk about the box. What do you think? First impressions. You like with that red?
I do like the red.
It's
red. I don't know what color red that would be. The marketing guy will tell me at some point, but I don't really know. It's a very nice red. It's a subtle red. Oh, he said it. I don't know if they heard it, but I will. He'll write it. Write it up there.
It's almost Italian.
It does have a Triton logo.
Triton logo.
Because the brand is Triton.
Oh yeah, Triton.
There it is. There it is. It took a while. You didn't get that, so right now, huh?
Yeah, I got it.
But the box overall is very nice. Got a picture of the amp on the back side. Again, this is a brand that's really made for the local retailers. And because of that, it's really focused on them. So it's really statistics on the back mostly. They don't really go into a ton of the features, just a lot of the statistics, and then it shows you the layout of the amplifier, because that's really the only thing the retailers really care about.
Come on, let's open it up, Drew.
I'm getting there, Mike. Jeez. Oh, that's very pretty.
They put it in plastic, too.
It is in plastic. It is plastic. Hey, where's it from, Mike?
From?
Yeah.
It's from the United States, right?
Oh, my goodness.
It's from Dow Electronics. You can buy all these from Dow Electronics. Is that what you're saying?
No.
Where does it say? Where does it say on the box?
It says Brazil on the box.
Brazil? Oh, Brazil?
Ah, there it is. Jeez.
That is definitely a small footprint. So, 1,200 watts. It's 1 ohm stable. It's 1,200 watts at 1 ohm, and I think it's 660 at 2 ohm. Oh, very good, Drew. You are prepared. Were you a Boy Scout growing up, or?
God knows I wouldn't put that together. I'm not that clever.
660. That's a good guess. At 2 ohm and 363 at 4 ohm. One of the neat things about it is a monoblock amplifier, but it is a full range amplifier. So even if you wanted to put, I was talking to one of our guys, our brand champion, George, on it, that you can even put all that on like one door and one on another door, so you could run four speakers on one door at 4 ohm speakers down to 1 ohm, and you can have 1,200 watts per door on it. So for some of those guys that really like it loud, so.
And a nice thing is that if you are an authorized Triton retailer, there's an extended warranty on this as well, right?
Yep.
It goes up to a 2-year warranty if it's installed by a retailer that's a Triton authorized retailer. So a really good reason to look into becoming authorized, as well as a dealer locator and a lot of other things they give you for that. The footprint is extremely small on this, which is very, very nice.
For 1,200 watts.
For 1,200 watts is crazy. Obviously, you've got all your normal EQ stuff here for your gain, your level, anything else you'd kind of want to mess with, your inputs here. Then obviously your power and your output on this side, right? Ultimately, it's just a really tight, compact amplifier, which is a need in our world. We do run into a ton of scenarios as more and more electronics go under the seats. I think I've talked about it before. My brother got a truck that has a seat massager in it now. It's like they're getting more and more electronics and putting them under the seat. We're losing more and more space. So we have a lot less space to work with. So if you want to put something under a seat, this is a great opportunity. Obviously, if there's room in the trunk, you can fit it there easily. It just gives you a lot more options with a small footprint. Also comes with a couple of Allen wrenches because you know you don't have any of those laying around the store. But also a nice card from the guys at Triton that goes over the warranty process and says, hey, listen, it's a 1-year warranty unless you get it done by an authorized Triton retailer. So I think those programs are great. What else you got to say about it, Mike?
What I would say is go listen to it, go on the Triton dealer locator and find a retailer that has it. We have a lot of retailers throughout the country that are selling this product. Again, like Drew said, this is only available through retailers. This is more of a professionally installed type product. It's not something that's inexpensive that you just buy online and slap it in or have your Uncle Rick put it in for you. This is something you're going to want that your professional retailer to install. But to find it and to listen to them, because I'm having them on demo, is go to the Triton dealer website. It's where you can find the authorized resellers in your area. So.
All right. Appreciate the guys at Triton. Again, if you want to win this, dealer name, dealer number helps out in the comments. That's the only way we can identify you. Mike wants a code name. I'm not sure how many dealers
but we'd have to identify it
have
too,
a code name, but good God, don't do that because I'll never find you. Other than that, please subscribe. We enjoy the subscribers. Again, Mike enjoys them. He loves them.
Like too.
Like it. Subscribe
Don't
to it.
like it.
Comment
Like
on
it. You know, whatever.
If you don't like it, keep liking it anyway. We like it.
We like it. And we're giving stuff away, so.
All right.
How much more can we ramble on?
Not much. We're out of here, people. We'll see you next time.
See you guys. Thank you.